Hi, hello, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, let's see how we can create a new model in Odoo 14 using Studio Module. So let's take an example. Let's open Purchase Module. Okay, and now let's click on the Studio icon. So you can create a model either by clicking on this Edit menu and adding a new menu and model, or you can directly create a new model from here. Okay, so when you click on this Edit menu, here you can find option to create new menu. So here we have to provide the menu name. Okay. So you can create a new model, that is a menu with new model or existing model, or a parent menu can be created. So I'm creating a new model. So let's click on configure and you can add features to your model. So if you want contact details or picture, then tags, notes, company, then chatter, you can select it from here. And after that, you can create menu. So you can see the menu is created and it is possible to drag and drop. That is, usually it won't be where you want it. So you can simply drag and drop to another place. So in this case, I want this menu to be appeared under vendors. Okay, you can see it is added. Now we can confirm. So when you check under orders, you can find that business type and business type tax is created. So here we don't have any fields. So you can drag and drop fields to your to the views. So this one is a list view. Then here you can find the form view. So here you can see some fields which we have selected at the time of model creation. Okay, and if you want to add more fields, you can just drag and drop it to the form, into the view. Then below you can also find the existing fields. So we can choose it from these options, these list also. Okay. So in the same way, you can add drag and drop fields to the list view. So in this way, you can create a new model by adding a new menu. Then without creating menu also, we can create a new model. So if you click on new model, you can provide the model name and click on configure. Again, you can create a new model. So in the same way, you can drag and drop elements to the views. So it's so simple to create new model in Odoo 14 using Studio. And in the coming videos, we'll be discussing in detail about adding fields to views. So that's all for this video and thanks for watching.